Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Mastering Direct Debits, how to set up and manage automatic payments 2026. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Now if you are in the United Kingdom and want to use it, for example using it from the Barclays bank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up the Barclays bank application. Before that, choose Direct Debit when paying a bill on the company's website, or from choose Direct Debit and enter your account name, sort code, account number. That's all you need. The next is to open up the app and log into your account. Simply tap on the payments option or pay option. Then once you're there, select payments, and once you're inside the payments, select direct debits. Then once you're inside there, you'll see the direct debits listed there. Now in order to manage it in the Barclays app or online banking, you can see view all direct debits, see next payment dates, check payment amounts, get alerts before payments, and you can also cancel it by simply heading over and repeating the same steps and choose a company and tap on the cancel direct debit option by simply tapping on the transaction, and cancellation is instant and the company cannot take money again. Now if you are using it from the Chase Bank, what you need to do is simply head over and log into your Chase Bank application. Once you are inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the pay and transfer option on the bottom. Then once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says pay bills. Simply tap on that. The next is to select set auto pay. Then simply next is to set up auto pay details. Choose amount, payment date and account to pay from. Simply tap confirm and auto pay is now active. Simply tap on done to do it, and you can also edit autopay or cancel autopay as well. Now if you want to do it from your PayPal app, what you need to do is simply open up your PayPal application and log into your account. Then you can also choose PayPal at checkout. We're paying online, select pay with PayPal and log in and approve automatic payments or subscriptions, and that's it, and setup happens automatically. To do it, you can also go manually and from the profile picture on the top right. Then inside, select the payments option and then tap on automatic payments. Now once you're inside automatic payments, you'll see all active subscriptions, change the payment method, review billing frequency and see past payments. In order to cancel it, simply follow the steps once again. And now once you're inside automatic payments, choose the merchant and then simply tap on it or tap the cancel or turn off option, and cancellation is instant and merchant cannot change PayPal again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.